There are several things I did to make my YouTube videos better. In today's video, I will be dropping some tips that helps my YouTube videos better. And if today is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please do not make it your last time. You are welcome.
Can I be your star tonight?
Today's video, I'll be telling you the basic things you need as a new beginner starting a YouTube channel. These basic points are not too many. That is why I said the basics. So the basics do not need to be so much, and I don't want to spend too much of your time. That is why I made this video as precise as possible. Please do not forget to hit the like button by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this video to as many people as possible in order for them to benefit from this video. There are few things I did to make my YouTube videos better, and I wrote down those points. And I'm like, I need to break this down and explain and also teach you guys on how to make your YouTube videos better. The number one point I dropped on my list is hustling for a better phone camera. Like I said, phone camera, not camera, because camera is quite expensive now. So you do not need to break the bank because you want to get a camera. You can start from where you are. Use the phone camera you have and just start like that. If you watch my oldest video, you will know what I'm talking about. So this is it. Once you go to my video, there is popular video, recent video, and oldest video. So just click on the oldest video and you are going to see it. When I started my YouTube channel, I started with an Android phone. I know they are great to Android phone. This Android phone camera wasn't nice at all. Like, when I mean at all, it wasn't nice. So that would probably be one of the reasons I wasn't consistent then. But I was still consistent. Because once you don't have a good phone camera, that is when you need to work on your editing skills, which will help you. People won't even notice that your phone camera is not nice at all. So just check out my videos on how to edit so you can get better in your video. Alright, so later on I had to also for a better camera, which is one of the frequent questions I do get, that what phone do I use to shoot my videos. I got a small iPhone 6 and it has really been doing a lot of magic to my videos. That is what I am using presently, and I love the quality. So it is a step by step something. Later on I can upgrade, but for now this is what I am using and I am enjoying it. Next thing is that I watched other YouTubers on my niche. I try to see what they are doing that I am not doing. I try to watch their videos and also try to make better videos for my audience. You have to check out your niches and see what they are talking about and see what is going on right now and see what they are discussing about, so you can also discuss about that same topic if it is relevant. Next point is that I started doing script writing. I'm a kind of person that I love my pen beside me all the time, because at any point I can come about an idea and I would like to jot it down immediately. So script writing is really nice, and it is not important, but if you want to make a better video, it is important. So this script writing will enable you to not waste so much time while editing your videos. You won't have to split and cut and be joining. This will enable smooth video editing. So once you've written your script, it will even make your filming video very fast. You won't waste time while filming your video because you have the points you want to talk about, and you're just going to come out here and say those points, and that is all. Next point is that I improved on my editing skills. If you check my previous video, you will see that my new video is better than my previous videos. I worked on my editing skills almost every day. I make sure I do something different. I make sure what you watch in my last video is not the same thing you are watching in today's video. I always work on my editing skills, and which has been making my videos better. And the very last point I'll be talking about is I worked on making my recent video better than my previous video. This point is actually attached to the fourth point. They are kind of jointed, but they are different. So this is what I'm trying to say. There are some videos that I posted, that I uploaded, and I'm like, did I post this video? You know, this is the fun thing about reacting and watching your other videos, and you'll be like, no, I did not do well at all. I need to do better in the next one. So that is it. We are not perfect. We're only working towards perfection. So if you believe all the videos you do drop is better, you are deceiving yourself. Tell yourself the truth for once. That is when you bring in comparison to your videos. This video I dropped last month, is it better than the one I dropped in the last 2 months? In fact, sometimes the one you dropped last 2 months will be better than the one you are dropping now. So that's why you need to study your video analytics and know about these things. I dropped a recent video about a real analytics of my videos, monthly recap, and I'm going to drop it up here for you to check it out and also watch that video so you can know how you can be controversial with your YouTube studio. Alright guys, so I hope with these few points I made, you learned a lot of things. Please let me know if you enjoyed this video in the comment section, and if you want more videos from me, kindly signify in the comment section, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.